to asiagu.
Pacha me baby.
Na nchini nso e.
Me baby agu.
Na kosua no ba ko ya.
Pacha I want.
Ochire di na ba. Aduane de ye. E wo twere no, osenkafo tinu nchichemu du wotwe. Osi esese nipa wudidie. Na wonom na wo hu bre so mfa so. Na che wa bia afama me. Fa to adie mu ma me. Na me nka wa ba ko sembi. Ode fo bi. Osuma nam ko adi dwumadie bi hye wonsa. Yedi ka ne efe no Rollins. Di otosu mienu so de kofo. Di otosu miensa na asema areho. Ya hu ko fa so wo enti ambe so meboni din. Etu efri ni efre. Na di otosu ano. Ye efe no Mahama. Na di otosu se si ene. A wodi dwuma ne efre no. Akufo ado. Na di no ode kofo no. Ba obeye nyuma mpepre. Ono na the National Health Insurance ba ye. Oba akwa no di Mahama no nso so. Ofa confirm free sirem ba ye. Ya hu ba bia confirm ni fa ye. Say ni otis won wa shisha bo bebre. Was 1 village 1 dime. So ye hui. Ba akope no aye. Ani so ma mo fra no ko school free. Akonya ne so de any we are see ahini enti. Your confirm by any person san ba akonya ne so bi. And so di of or di free SHS aba no. Ono so yiri ni tem. Na dani dra ni be hu amaga. Maame. Me so say, you onim ye bia ye ro hu na ye.
Ziba biabeko Pepe Afiana Ziba beko Eva Ziba biabeko Aba la 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 Abusiano so awapamu. I was like a forecast we as Bibia or libre. Everyone else so say yeah day. Shrokro crunch my dear Lady Bremo. So I cow. You will October was me no more and a moon for the own song. Aha, Asida Radio Fiji, so www.asidaradio.com, popmodernghana.com, and I call Ghana Expo. I was a papa, so they were feeding out to an anyway, na UTA. Said Janadaro Mamuna, Mohoyepa, Medini Kinsley, Kwame, to for an anyway, so. Some pa a sewe fatamo no ede bremu nyina na ne se de yasho ase no se ne yasho ase no yen kono boko sa ene nye boko bete sa e wa se bi aye ka say last days are dangerous wa nyina jo the true more sharing on Facebook or more radio section home. When I hear any free African many so papa more Cote d'Ivoire, more Nigeria, South Africa for last week coming from Cotonou. And I'm going to ask Ghana for a hand, Muti and any red. I'm going to ask papa. Everyone else. Ça me call Facebook aussi si mais on sait on y a mené pas Thomas Amate every Hollander wabasuna over Ave Prince Jerry Mensa I say good work, preacher. Otherwise, papa cross Gabby and so anyway, free Italy, no the Abbas is here. I say good evening, brethren, and good work. Watching you live from Italy. Kofi Augustine, Kofi or fine. I am a mention come. Kofi now, they can't view now. They see the any Jan out there. Kofi or Italy. Right, then I'm in Jerry J. Brooke. I say good evening, men of God. Jamio. Safo Kweku Prince. I say good evening, brethren. Good evening to you, Safo. Sheila Auku. Sheila is saying. Yana boko there. Akwesi can come. Is that brother done again? Hey, yes, he's the one. Oh, huh? Does he rest at all? No better than home, Papa. Wait. Yeah, near Hanu, what for be a dear in the chairman and your home cry. Yabe, let's try more than important the man. Have a way every Daniel upon all the free Ghana and what they buy. I'm watching you live from Ghana. Good evening to you, Danny boy. Ghana to say Asante MC. Michael. I want to say Papa Alice Hammond anyway nearby. God bless you all watching you live from Columbus, Ohio. I feel Japanese abed Ajay Poku. A Church of Christ has opened. And then you may or shame pa. A Japanese Bibia will call there. I feel Kwasi can come the way every professor. I don't know who's Siama. Was it well, bro? God continue to bless you. and give you strength to continue propagating the gospel. Vampire man of Wefrey Evans so for we are Tahono. I'm watching you live from Tadi, Takra de Tadi for one to then. Mark A. Oma Eddie Free Spain by Mark the only one, not to see any whole crowd. Mark and Ibrahim say Bia Boko, David watching so say me Shamo a free Antwerp. Oyame Shramopa, and then again I can come the way free London and what they buy. I was say me Shamo a free London and you bring so yet ya. That upon was the oh and Yana Mamuna Quaba, I won't say more Quaba pa, Shage Medina for my head as say. Yeah, what Philip anyway free Italy or the buy, I was saying him free Italy. And I reach out among Qua. Good evening, more fire, Ujawum. Last days are dangerous. And I'm going to see Beatrice Boateng. Good evening, brethren. Good evening to you, Beatrice. Watching you live from US of A, that's Papa Beatrice. I'll be for Hunter Isaac. I'll say good evening, brothers. So Abusia Ebrano Ason say a day, Chokron Crunch Mediana day, Ebramusia, Sranko and Fama on his services. One at also as an edge Mediana Ebramone and you may come on his service and I say no, a war 20 or can you take close at Dental House and and crying. I'm on the service number is no 0023324461293 0023324461293 and at 0023330393717. I'm on the service say say bogus no more money who swat a cry. Adia ya pan say massa wabet na butre. Na hasu nyina mu wadi be 5 years 10 years. Now be kwa ko dru o my Ghana mu pa na woni hu. Aya na at sempa. Na be ye 1 week time no. Ubon say aya na ye ju first wo fase for no wo fa bo. Ufufu so nam se tie ni. Masa every 3 months e ho e ko no. Ni ye hwe na so ofa woni ajapadie bia wo my Ghana mu a ni ye ti nam no so. Afe wona fo no mo so ase bisa na ayikwaku be ko da ben eni ade eyensem pi. Are wo sem na se nya se wan kasa obebo bra. Enya wo boapayo. Na mo wo di sika no koma abusuafo, wo de koma yonko bi, e na wadi uhwammo. Efie no wansi. Asase no awanto. E na odi obi photo aba ba kire wo. Make say bi kura mpo na fa mi tu uni bi. Enti godifo so mu a na e do kwa are wo sempa. E no wan hwe yi a menua wo be bodam. Wan hwe a wo be bodam. E ya re wo sem. E no e na amano ne service say wo hunu yembre. Ye haso ayete no waba so oba be sie yen. Isan say watena amano ne ha e no wo hunu yembre. When I say na about 20 or can you take close at Dental House and Accra. Or say so pese wo si fie na ubue adwuma bi. Ana wadwuma wo sha ase no enkoye e na obusuan sem ene ne yonko sem a wadi uhwamo enti don't worry. I'm on this service so we are ready to help you. For more than after 0023324461293 and 0023330393717. Also so we school bia e ho krata assembly bia obebo na mom e agreement we sign contract the percentage wo no aba no so a obetene de adi won so de wo de wa de be ma kwa Bob's African Market e ye adwumaku a obo Beldikin Strat number 147 kwa Bob's 7 can show say ye can import any exporter wo san ho aye aduani bia wo pe bi adie no kwa Bob's obema obi afi wo pe so de no buy be free Ghana na wo de ba and now would be free now they call Ghana. Bob saw the Nina Beco Eddie amount, contemporary tem. Opese Uwe a Jumani be, make us a Canada, or Spain, or hey, but be a will be a for Bob's, essay a possible. And once we be a dino be store be na baby a one or best supply with Imiani, Asia, Diane, and Africa, Ediane, Cobob say, Massa won't say you or that. No, today, won't say him. And the bomb more than na any Cobobs, any ja. Ave opeso koto African nuane bia e4 na obedi ne fie kakra and also Cobobs say obetumi aye ama o de usika no be ko Ghana ama contemporary tem e no passion ogina ho na nipa no ege money transfer Cobobs say no e wo Beldikin Strat 147 2060 Antwerp from 049982 6468 049982 6468. Abusia, Ebrenason, with all due respect, Mamen Fowl Enco Studio 2, Sisia, Madum no. Na Menkoma Professor Akwaba. Na NS Osha, Professor without portfolio, ene unihane. Enti eye Amsterdam Church of Christ. Womo a preacher man. Emu baako ena ote afidie animu no. Ena eye Professor Dr. Danowusu Asiama enso eka ho. Mame nkona mema asofo kukudami akwaba. Professor Danowusu Asiama openi mu akwaba.
Mejo so.
What you want to say?
Arade adomboko
Ya danyamia se papa. Amsterdam Church of Christ was empakani St. Paul anane mu akwaba.
Yenia.
What you want?
Arade adom. Eho ya fa.
Ya danyamia se papa. Abusuya na ne obo me na wochinchim fidie na mame na we kwabna Subontain hono ene me executive producer na anyubre. Ma ho nyina kwaba e de ba Bible akwankyere enkwankwanu ase. Na me sure obo se ba bi e de befa no eho etro. Ale tro kwankwanu ase se ne amonim no se wo ye archbishop, wo ye elder, wo fra wo ho pastor, wo ye deacon. Asem a ye ka no efa ho. Asem a ye ka no efa ho. Ebetumi ama obuafu. Saa ne di akro no. Nenso ha obufu a yam to twede wo ha na ye de tro kronkron na ekon idie. Fa tro kronkron na nne anwumre money matters in the church. Asori any sikasem, asori sika asori. Minim opani bia say waja asori because odeka wa asori. Ntutu so dudu wantumi antua. Era yesi dues bi wantumi antua. Pani na asem a oka no e challenge nipa bebre. Ebi nso say da bi we you obi a tiri mu odin ankasa. Esan se sika na ye de ye nyame adwuma. E de wokọ asori na ompese obeyi sika de a na wo mpe nyame eyie kora, especially entutu so dudu. So wo nyame bebu osoro fence ya ma ono ade so otua. Abusia asori eni sika ene asori. Church of Christ for omaba fidie so abeka. Na ene mema wonu mo atimu bio. Church of Christ se ma ye ntutu so dudu. Professor Danowusu Asiama aye tips bebre. Ena Adom TV. Wajina the whole of Ghana. I can say me yam obia ati. Enti di asofo no kan say sa papa we a wo wo yanim ha professor yi e ka wono nko anka nyame adwuma nkemu. Because on pese obia edi sika ebe hye nyame adwuma mu. Say ye no boapayo ana enye no boapayo no ene wo ha. Obeyi ni nyina no edi aman. Professor Danowusu Asiama asori ni sikasem ose de en. Afei me bie ahoma na tum say question bia wo wone ha wo tete wo e wo Church of Christ for e ho no sa wo ye Church of Christ ni ana wo nye Church of Christ ni no enne ye last day because Church of Christ for mo ankasa mumu no ensempi na no ye wo ha no obi bebisa nse ono ni CEO no ana oyi ano enti sikasem no e na ye de hye ase ene anwumre na osempakani St. Paul wa ha wona ben urade nti won fa emme urade kakra na ye nhyase osofo bompa ye mam
Adofo mo so mo me bompa ye. Yeso so hene yekoso edawasi enanwure so.
Amen.
Ekamfo etuntumo ehye odin enumnyam. Yedawasi se enade nso odi ye nkwa edi ache ye. Bahwe ye so efiri anopa bisisa brei. Kwama boni bi antuye. Yaso etiase amodin eso a edi nankopon ne yedi aseda ena yi nkwa ne yedi mawodin. Yedawasi se odi enko hwiade mu ena de nso yedi osori edi koma wodin kronkron no. Ebre awodi aba bidu ha asundwe mu yesro so be hu emo body enfum so biara edi beche yen. Na jumedi ayebedi obefa ni nyina no edi amaye. Abra wonsem ebeto apeti esro so wankasa obeboaye titiro eni enupani edi nankopon de wasiesie ebiara waka no ho ama no akokuduro sɛ de da ne da ode edom no no tumi ade akyerɛkyerɛ wonsɛm mu sɛ de esitie yɛde ne nyinaa ɛbɛwia asomdwe mu a ɛbɛkɔ so ɛde waseda ɛde ama yɛsrɛ ntiaseɛ ɛde ma etiefoɔ ɔmo tie wonsɛm so nyinara sɛ Nyankopɔn wobɛbie ɔmo adwene mu ama ɔmo ntiaseɛ ɛne ehunmu ɛwɔ wonsɛm emu ne nyinaa ewie yie ɛne pɛyɔ a ɛbɛkɔ so ɛde waseda ɛde ama when ebisa wɔ Kristo Yesu a ɔyɛ yɛntɛm gyinafoɔ didi mu nti amen.
Amen. Abusua na wɔtwe akakakra bi na abɔ Church of Christ asɔre asɛm bɛɛ pɔtee ɛna wɔn mo ka ɛfa sikasɛm ɛho. Professor Dan Owusu asiama mɛsan mo akɔ abɛbi o.
Ni abɛgye so.
Ajapani ofiri ɔman Ghana mu ɛna ɔbae. Ɔhwɛ Ghana yɛwɔ mpanimfoɔ bi a asɔfoɔ kuku dam bi a ɛm sɛ ɔman Ghana wɔn mo kasa yɛnim sɛ wɔn bɛn Awurade paa. And me bo wudin a saa pepepe na tie obi te sɛ Dr. Mensa Altabel obi te sɛ ɛyɛ onyame nipa Archbishop Duncan Williams friend papa obi te sɛ ɛyɛ Reverend Ajunasare ya Dr. Mpo anaasɛ ɛyiw ɔmo titles na ɛho hia wɔn paa nti wɔamfa nka ho a na ɛkɔfa sɛ mo aba nyame bo apayo Ena afenso Reverend Eastwood Anaba. Saa sofo amabobo won din akakraka nyina no. Yebu won my Ghana musasi e ka kyerɛ kronkron yi a wonu mu nim Bible pa. Saa wonu mu nyina egye tight. Wonu mu nyina gye aforebo. Wonu mu nyina gye juice ahodo, so seed ahodo, wonu mu nyina egye. Professor Dan Owusu asiama wo ye Bible scholar. Unko kugina kontenkro against sa enkrofo a yehunu wo se omo so ye Bible scholars na ono se yanyi sika no yentua duduzo dudu professor wo se ma yentua asori ni sika sem se na tie wo kronkron kwan mu okwan no so na obi wo bibia otumi elisa e de pa na professor woka
Yo minia me da se papa na atiefo nso so me ma mu nyina adwo ewo ye na Awurade Yesu Kristo edimu asore ane sikasam nia edika kra no baabi a me pasa me twe obi adwen ade gina so ewo asore ane sikasam ho ane se Bible abo dodo a eje ono Onyankopɔn edie no kokose etwa se yehwe yie ewo sikani bre ho sa yede saa kasa kyerɛ no ade tutu ye hofo na yede to hɔ no mu a ɛno na betumi aboa yɛn kɛse ama sa ye kasikasɛm ɛho asɛm ɛwɔ Bible ni mu a yɛtumi agina ɛkwan papa no so pɛpɛɛpɛ na mentwe atiefo adwen enyina bibi so ɛwɔ apam dada ne mu Ebrebi odifo Elisha wone nakoa a yefa ne Gehazi Onyankopɔn efa odifo no so esa owura bi a na oyɛ okwatani eyare saa owura no na yefa no Naaman na opani Naaman eye soja ni kase a kyesa owosika ewo bibia na ebreso ya na okope ayaresa ewo odifo Elisha enkyɛn no okono odisika ene emmoa ene ntade ene niema horo bebree na odikoe na Bible say odifo Elisha eka kyerɛ no sɛ Awurade Yehowa Nyankopɔn eti ase merenye bibiara na ampara odifo no anye hwe wo ebra na Onyankopɔn enam ne nsa so asa opani ne ma yare onko a eye asamkese sa enemre mu adifo ene asofo ebi ebe claim sɛ Onyankopɔn enam ne so aye bibi ama obi na nipa kro no ema ne sika na ɔse wonye omo ampo ena edimande na Elisha abofra a wɔde no ɛnam a ɛfa no Gehazi no ɛbra Elisha ɛka sɛ ɔnye hwee na Naaman ɛne ne nkwalaa a wɔne wɔn etu kwan no wɔn si mu a wɔn ɛrekɔ no adwembɔne ɛba Gehazi etirim ɛyɛ ne ya sɛ odiifoɔ no ama ɔpanin di sika bebrebe sei ɛne nneɛma bebree saa no ɔde ɛrekɔ eti Bible sɛ Gehazi eti Naaman na ɔkɔka kyerɛ no sɛ me wura ɛsɛ afei deɛ ɔkaa so wɔnyɛ no afei deɛ ɔbɛgye no nti no wɔse ma no nneɛma no bi na ampara Gehazi ɛkɔgye sika puduo ɛkɔgye nneɛma a Onyankopɔn ɛnam ne diifoɔ so kaa sɛ ɔnye ɛwɔ ayaresa a wasa no enti na abusuafoɔ deɛ twerɛ kronkron no ɛka asɛm a me ne wo ka no me se ɛwɔ 2 Kings chapter 5 to wonya adagye a wobɛtumi akenkan 2 Kings chapter 5 no baabi a madure no mekan afiri verse 21 na Gehazi ɛkɔgye saa nneɛma nyinaa na wieɛ no deɛ kɔ wieɛ ɛne sɛ kwata no a na ɛwɔ Naaman ɛho no Onyankopɔn ɛtransfer saa kwata no ɛde ɛbaa Gehazi ɛso na odiifoɔ no ka kyerɛ no sɛ kwata ɛbɛyɛ no na ɔne n'asefoɔ nyinaa ɛna kwata yareɛ no ɛbɛba wɔn so enti menua Bible no a ɛda hɔ no sikasɛm ɛne sikanibereɛ sɛdeɛ Ghana yɛka no no sikanibere ɛde owu afa na yɛsɛ yɛbɛsom Onyankopɔn na yɛma sikanibere edi yɛnim ɛwɔ deɛ yɛyɛ mu a sɛdeɛ ɛnnɛ yɛhu ɛwɔ asɔre mu no a na ayɛ awerɛhosɛm papaapa na woka biribi sɛ Church of Christ for deɛ yɛsɛ yɛnyi sika yɛnka saa Church of Christ nka sɛ yɛmfa sika ɛnyɛ nyame adwuma sɛ radio so ɛna yɛtie obi a owi ase biara nim sɛ yɛnkɔ radio so kwa
Utiaka.
television programs ahoroɔ a yɛyɛ no yɛtua ɛho ka wɔ radio program ɛwɔ Toronto, Canada sɛ mekyerɛ sika a yɛtua anɔpa biara sɛ menkasa bɛsɛ sima aduonu no a ho bɛdwiriw ɛno nti ɛbɛyɛ unwise on my part or Church of Christ for part sɛ yɛuse sika ɛde yɛ saa nneɛma wɔ enum nyinaa na yɛbɛka sɛ dabrɛ yɛkɔ asɔre a yɛnyi sika yɛnka saa emom deɛ Church of Christ ka ne sɛ Bible say sɛ obi ɛka asɛm a ma no nka ne sɛ Onyankopɔn ɛnsɛm sɛ obi ɛsom ɛnso a ɔnsom sɛ ifra hoɔden a Onyankopɔn ɛde ama mu na yɛfa yɛwura Yesu Kristo no so ahyɛ agya Nyankopɔn animonyam ɛwɔ adeɛ nyinaa mu enti wo a wotatie yɛn Church of Christ for no ya yɛka biribi ɛde kyerɛ adasaba nyinaa to the effect sɛ Christianity is ordered after a definite pattern saa aborɔfo no deɛ ɛpɛ sɛ yɛkyerɛ ne sɛ Kristosom ɛwɔ ɛkwan pɔtee bi a Onyankopɔn ɛde ato hɔ ɛde ama yɛn ɛnyɛ sɛ Kristosom no obiara sɔre a nea ɔpɛ na ɔyɛ enti ɛkwan a ɛda hɔ a Onyankopɔn atwa ɛde ama Kristofoɔ sɛ yɛmfa so ɛna yɛmfa nyi sika ɛmfa mmoa ɔdo Onyame adwuma no saa kwan no ɛde twa sɛ yɛfa so ɛnsɛ sɛ yɛde sikanibereɛ ɛyɛ biribiara ɛwɔ asɔre mu 1 Timothy chapter 6 verse 10 Honhom Kronkron no sɛ na bɔne nyinaa ne nhini ɛne sikapɛ bɔne anaa sikanibere a ebinom adi akyire na ɔde yaw bebree awowɔ wɔn ho for the love of money is a root of all kinds of evil. Eti Bible no di adanse sɛ sikanibere ɛyɛ bɔne ahodoɔ a ɛwɔ ewiase no ne nhini no emu bi paa sɛ sɛ wodi sikani bere akyi a ɛde bɔne ahodoɔ pii ɛna de ba na yɛhyɛ aseɛ na ɔɔka biribi sɛ wokɔ Ghana ɛwɔ nkurɔfoɔ bi a asɔfoɔ bi a abɔ mu din a na nkurɔfoɔ susu sɛ oh yes ɔmo yɛ sɛ deɛ ɛsɛ yɛte aseɛ no sɛ ɛnyɛ nipa approval na mmom onyankopɔn approval mekae 2 Timothy chapter 2 verse 15 Bible sɛ ɔka kyerɛ Timothy a na ɔyɛ preacher no study to show yourself approved unto God. Study to show yourself approved unto God. Etinya enipa a wakasa we yese anase nipa wakasa we anye se. Me makoba bi me aka cham se me antichrist krada.
Asa wonye Kristo no krada.
Me nyi Yesu ni na anti just me gensi Yesu. Obi a me preach Church of Christ no. Obi say me antichrist. Is answer probably the no person what free me ho no. Want enti. Eti yankwa Ghana na nkrofo abodin Dr. Mensa Otabil.
Yes.
Last year Ghana fo nyina ewo ho. And also wo ye program bi. A very greater works. Ana ode ade be bo ne dan yanim a kire ne church members ne say. So obi e penhira afiri onyankopon eho a. Sika itwase wupiani. Sika papa edebebo edana no na $. It depending on enhirako a wo pe no. A whole $. And it just wupia.
Woye.
It well yehu onyankopon and the price atu ni nhira and na adom a owo e de mane ma eso e wasase so ana. Therefore wutie me. Sikasam awo troni mu no ni a Church of Christ yaka ene say Bible yi a eda hoi ye wo apam dada e ye wo apam foforo ye wo apam dada no emu som ane ye wo apam foforo enso so emu esom apam dada emu som no ye fra no Jewfo esom ana say Judaism ana apam foforo som no ye fra no Kristo som sa osom mienu yi enya ade baako etwa se obi biara okọ Bible mu no ote sa asemi ase under Judaism no ana niema bebre sisiye emua afọrebo wanza na nza abrante bi aba Ghana o se fa na jaguraja ajaguraja
odifo kwa Nazare
wanza entade a ehye no sikan ye hye no ho ana niema a wo ya sabe obi oti Kristosumu bi ahu saa de no a obu ni se ya bosonsom na so obi sa no say wata de ehye wo ya no akotu mu quotation after apam da de mu
no kra obekan so no na ewo ho
sikan ye ehye wo ye o se afiri apam da de mu no akenkan no de akero adenti ana dodo a ekrem say ye Kristofo enne no ajaguraja enta de ne ye hye bi ade ne na asofo mfa sekan enhyehyɛ omo ntade mu ede se eno esansa te se de jaguraja eka no apanda da mu som no sa pepepe na nete Church of Christ asemo wo twe adua gina so se efrisi yewura Yesu Kristo ebewu ye e wasenua no so no ene ma sesa eti Kristo som ana ne onyankopon enam so a ode gi nipa nkwa wura Yesu se mene ekwan no nokora no ene enkwa no na obi enko eja ne nkyɛn agye sɛ ɔnam so enti dodo a sɛ yɛka entusuo dudu ɛho asɛm a na ɔmo pɛ akye yɛn aweɛ sɛ na ɔmo change asɛm no sɛ ɛnam sɛ yɛaka sɛ Akristofo ntua ntusuo dudu nti no na se kyerɛ no sɛ yɛsɛ yɛmfa sika enye nyame adwuma agye saa no Church of Christ yɛka na entusuo dudu no belong to Judaism apam dada mu ɛsom no a na asofo ntade se kan hwehwe mu no na yekum emoa ede ba fode last week mi tie ajaguraja no Kofi TV efre no na odu wa pe no wa se na de wa ye late wa se na ne ye bo emoa fode bo ene yekum odwan kakraka ayi abaza lentwe kakraka bi
lentwe
odo fa wutie me apam dada mu som no ne yekum moa ede ba fode enti sanne wa wutie me no who claims that we are Christian, now what jai and wakum. Na and to so do dear, what's all by dear. I am the mother of all contradictions. It is the cano. The Basati for United say, Church of Christ in Can say, Yemfasika Ediamia. But by virtue of what we do, no, I can't all say, yes, Pendisica. And the idea Yamia be a ye, I was a so. Na Sicanoa, yes, Pande, na Yadia a Jumano. Say, yes, Yasika. And yana sabe ye kwaji sika do ana ekwa yede enti ye de sika nyame adwuma demom wose ye nchecha no kwasem ni mo pepepe na entuso dudu ya kire mu de ya kire obi biara se bible mu wo mo na tua entuso dudu no na ye sika na na wo mo de tua ye mfa sika money entua entuso dudu osofo biara a otie mi na nwumrei ya aja wo mo abese won kronkron sha ne ma ebia ni sasa ma make esa ne te apamda da no ase jufo som no ase no sika entuso dudu o mo giye no na ye mfa sika eni tua ne de afuom enobai na de tua entuso dudu eno akiri no na wo mo eto collection na jufo no to collection
o mo je ntutuso dudu no wia.
That is it.
No masa to collection.
If you say,
okay.
And ntutuso dudu no na nye sika. Collection de na ye sika. What dey dey there? Enti apamda da ni mo no, wo mo age collection. Ah collection no nye Church of Christ when afeni e dey be wiase. Na bi bibi.
Na sure say apamda da ni mo no, ntutuso dudu no wo ho. E na collection no so ye eno so wo ho.
Pe. Womo Israel for a collection no. Said they na etie no. Eno na ye ka kire nipa ene ya na womo edwane free ho no. Collection no apam foforo no mo no. Ye ba pa anwure no ye kwa kotie di apam foforo no eka. Apam foforo no say said ye obiara asusu wona koma mu no. E na oma enya amemenenfe anasa ohyem. Na de otenanim ema no e na awurade edo no. Now tie ade a mebeke nkan kakran. Me ka free Exodus chapter 36.
Yo.
Moses ebreso. Na Jufo esom no eye adwuma pa.
Yo.
Was say and Bezalel and Aholiab and every gifted artisan in whom the Lord has put wisdom and understanding to know how to do all manner of work for the service of the sanctuary shall do according to all that the Lord has commanded. Then Moses called Bezalel and Aholiab and every gifted artisan in whose heart the Lord had put wisdom, everyone whose heart was stirred to come and do the work. Verse 3, Exodus chapter 36. And they received from Moses all the offering which the children of Israel had brought for the work of the service of making the sanctuary. So they continued bringing to him free will offerings every morning. Then all the craftsmen were doing all the work of the sanctuary came, each from the work he was doing. And they spoke to Moses, saying, the people bring much more than enough for the service of the work, which the Lord commanded us to do. So Moses gave a commandment, and they caused it to be proclaimed throughout the camp, saying, let neither man nor woman do any more work for the offering for the sanctuary. And the people were restrained from bringing it. Orofo, would you mean? Eti you for no tia se no misika to collection o wa would you mean? Na collection enya no one ye friend the title no. Dabi. Unya da agye Deuteronomy chapter 14. When free verse 23 at the bar. Bible says so dia say, and to so do no de, na ye omo fom no bai. Afiafe and na omutia e de ma Lewi asofo no. Say omo see a dime sanctuary no bia ya e de ama onyankopon. Na e ka so omutia to so do.
The okin kan ye de mehu ye ne se wo se anopa no Israel fo no ase obi afiri nipem no wodi biribi bre
obi afiri nipem enti efiri tete ana sika offering sika tithe niema enti wunim omo quotation omo quote kura no Malachi chapter 3 no was it in tithes and offering the distinction is there asofo na shada
na so say Israel for no kura mu no wo mo ye clear bibia da ho clear
as say Kofi TV no
say Kofi TV say Israel for no ye de ade no wo mo nim say entoto so odudu no enie ena offering so
eni de sika na eto wunim offering no
oh boy
enu bi offering no bi ena Awurade Yesu Kristo bra na wote ase no ye ka apamda da musom na ya na ngofo ka say ye ka apamda da no a esi e wo Malachi da bi Awurade Yesu te ase nyina no ye wo no omra na se oye na dwuma omra na se ana owui wo omra na se eti Yesu Kristo dwuma di a odi ye bra na wote ase nyina no na ye Mose emra no na ye den edi enipa so enu na Yesu ekwa asoro da mu a wo mo to collection ye oka e kire nkrofo no se ma me kunafo hiani no the collection na wato no eso mbuche obi ade one that can say na Israel for enter collection
I see that's say hono enye tight na maame ne kwoto ne mo kwoto ne collection
David that tight there tight wo soa ye soa tight e niema odofo wo tie me say Deuteronomy chapter 14 can free verse 23 now papa kosi verse 26 tight no e niema ye soa e bo kashire
edi asem nie
na aso dem o Yesu ko na no mo to offer na kwa de so niema e sika na Awurade Yesu kan say maame no ni sika o nyina na odi atomu no ana o ka kire wo mo aka ne say de o mo anyama na buso emu na o mo yi bibi eden efrie enti me ni adofo a wo tiame say ye ka asam a ti asam ni ye Church of Christ in ka say ye nto collection na collection to de efri tete ana apamfo fro no esan esisudua what chire mu pefe ana odi amaye enti de ye ka efa nto so dudu ho ne say na ye fuo mu niema ase ne say ebra yehu Nyankopon eyi Israel for ade wo mo efri Egypt asase so ade wo mo kwa Canaan asase no aye say ewo ane nufuso ane sene wo eso no wo mo kodu Canaan asase no so no na di party so ane Nyankopon ma Israel for no wo mo kontokwa
epam wo no mo
ana omudi wo mo so enkunim enti omudi wo so enkunim na sase ye che asase no ade ma Israel for ane ye che asase no de ma wo mo ne ye che de ma wo mo no ade nyame ma Israel for no mra se adwuma omo beye awo sa asase no so no afi bia so a eno bai biara obia betwa no o che eno bai no mu edu na o de baako ekọ ye fere the storehouse omo de ekọ ne de akọ akoma Lewi asofo no ene de maintain asofo no asofo no nya duane ayeden adi sika ye de to collection no a different thing all together
na te say wono mo je tight no e na wono mo sa ji sika ye offering no
medofo na ya na grofo enim sa de no sa o de tight no e be ka collection Israel for yiye ene mo afọ de on boy e ho a na Nyankopon e tax wo almost 50% of their annual income because one say Israel for every one na Nyankopon ne wo enam te say de ye politics nso so and the friend religio political politics I mix it with religion and brother nyame and Israel for enam no enti tax pa na oje wo sa no Christianity ente sa na enna entu so dudu a asofo agye no asama Church of Christ e kan say eye soronko kura fi the Bible e kan enna asofo nti so dudu o mo gye no yesi fa sika sha envelope na o de kwa asore na sa church secretary o sa so pani o na wa twere odin na wa twere sika kura o de baa no e de abehim e na o mo se ye frɛ no entu so dudu e de ase da bi o na Bible be na mu use we esa sa Bible no e da ho no enye sika na editua entu so dudu ana Kristo som anso so enka nkire obi asa o metua entu so dudu edi Bible be bia asa wonna nwasem bia e wa pan foforo mu
ka kire me sofo
Philippi 4 89 Osmafo Paul yese Paul amentem na wasene edikanfo no aka anwanwasem bia edi adanse pefe di kire obi asa sa entu so dudu no enya dia eye akrisofo edia. Philippians chapter 4. Make verse 15 and 16. Was say, now you Philippians know also that in the beginning of the gospel, when I departed from Macedonia, no church shared with me concerning giving and receiving, but you only. For even in Thessalonica, you sent aid once and again for my necessities. And you see what I said? Sir, and cannot a Christopher edi carriage to so do. And Capo, I said, what kind and can so do the woman dada. But also call Macedonia, no Europe, no. If it attain a Europe, what's in heading? Prepare for was what call Macedonia, no, as I could be a one. Okay. Any party to so do dia. And Capo, any trouble be aka. And Capo and anti Macas we say. But was say, and Crofono. As I be anywhere of one. So to us was say, a brand no what as on I can. Philip Fono, almost my 8. What is 8? 8 is help. Help and your obligation. Opa and our will be. But tithe and the Old Testament, no, it was an obligation. It was a commandment. And until I saw for no, I've heard a preacher, me, I'm to say, baby, almost that. Omo tiade na se pa na omo aheda enti wo church member na wo tie me no a eto da bia na mumom na mo ba da pa no well ya jiwa free sa enkwasom no a omo de wo kohyem ni mu se bible ba bie ni hono mo se ntu so dudu ni se wo ya adwuma na boso me so a fa eche osika ni mu edu na fa baako ehye envelope na fa koma asore na asore nteki records yetiwe ya samu ayante da sa church member bi ewuo na nabusuafo akọbọ osofo amane na osofo ese ontua no ntuso odudu yi tisi ebesie ne dia anye se mutua ntuso odudu no na omo abo abusuafo no eka abo omo atua ansa na obusuani no yesie no asemwe hwan na so want bi da minu adofo awutia me na no dia ka cho se Kristo som ente sa apamfo frontier kire enkyerekire sa Nemo a powerful frontier a cassa ever collection. Collection. Na collection also no, a brother home. Bible just so me be, or for tell me. 1 Corinthians chapter 16, verse 1 and verse 2. 1 Corinthians 16, verse 1 and verse 2. No Bible a cassa edifa collection. A Christopher, a D kind. Our Bible mono. Said the catcher woman. Now, say a Christopher dear, and as Aqua no also. And it was here. 1 Corinthians 16, 1 and 2. I say, now, concerning the collection for the saints, as I have given orders to the churches of Galatia, so you must do also. Verse 2. On the first day of the week, let each one of you lay something aside, storing up as he may prosper, that there be no collections when I come. Therefore, say, Christosom pan when you have a person, Yameno crepa na pesa utia. Tie assembly be wo. Verse 2 no. Was it on the first day of the week, let each one of you lay something aside. Next, I said, collection wo apam fufuru mu. Christosom collection no na a weekly. Upon the first day of the week. Kwasiada bia. Ana na omo yesa. Ya ka kira onyam sam se ene entuso dudu ene hweyo. Every say Deuteronomy chapter 14 verse 22 and 23 no. Was it? Make 22 no kwa. Was it? You shall truly tithe all the increase of your grain that the field produces year by year.
Where na watching we afi.
Enti ni be ya de baako.
Debi. Afi de say na watching
afi and to so dudu ye yi na afi. Enti sofo a wo tie mi o so won kronkron ahya de ma no. Ba bia won kronkron ka say ye ntua to so dudu bosome no. Osofo bi ewi a onkotu engumadi mu aseme ehwe. Any Bible baby hey Bible say afiafe and Israel for 80 to so do ana collection no a Christopher see and to there o say down na watch me da eh den edika no e de yen sa na one was concerning the collection for the saints eto a woyi e de boa ahotefo enoti aso ne yi collection no a ye di bi okwan bi so ni esika ni bi kwa bonten na kwa akọboa enkrofo a wo mo ho akere wo mo ahiafo oya Ghana ni na ote wo no mo a na otwe miensa a atwam no enti wante set Takoradi Church of Christ ye kwache aban 100,000 Ghana cedis 1 billion old Ghana cedis sir free SHS na wo ye no aya de papa enti ye asori ye support ade papa enti aban ye 1 billion na onfa emo free SHS enti wante se wante de ne me e ma ni se me ananso akere wo ye kwala shi no bi
newspapers mo Ghana say na ba e ma I think
ye kwala shi no bi ane ye ye ane de koboa aban no na sa sika no eye kwasiada ane ye to sa collection no afei ma me ntwe adwe nyina so se collection ato no kwasiada no nso so emrada ho ni 2 Corinthians chapter 9 verse 6 and verse 7 no emra eda collection to ho ni but this I say, he who sows sparingly will also reap sparingly, and he who sows bountifully will also reap bountifully. So let each one give as he purposes in his heart, not grudgingly or of necessity, for God loves a cheerful giver. Mpesa we obiane ka atwi ni maye kakra Korinto 4 goma to so mienu etinkro echemunsia ane enso no emra a eda collection a yato ewo krisosom ho no enie odofo
sampo kan mai whatever ma
eho ekenkan se na ye die odia no nchinchin mu no betwa no nchinchin mu na die odia no befu no betwa no befu 7 sadie obiara esusu na akoma mu no oma enye amemnemfe ana ohye mu efise die oti nanimu ema no onyankopon do no amen
but o chinchin mu no tiram ase di ketwa no no ye odua na ketwa no ele ye chinchin no na so obetwa ketwa we
oni odofo a wotie me enti asem ya kenkan yi di ahe pa na edin wo mu a onipa da sani nti ase ha try say die odia no kakraka no obetwa ne kakraka bountifully ana die odia ne ketwa sparingly I don't care no wono so saa ero nso betwa
donke
na chese si ato collection no a onyankopon be hira yen Luke chapter 6 verse 38 Awurade Yesu say momma na obema mo susukura pa a wa miaso na wa woso na ebufa so no eno na odi begu mu ntoma mu na susukura ko a mususuo no eno a na odi bema mo na just apart from no aka kire say ye ma onyame bagina oma no so na wa hira yen say the grofo ko to Malachi say oso mutua ntu so dudu a obehira om no sara na apart from no de enya ntu so dudu no se yentua no hira yen wase yetua collection no a onyame behira yen na according to Hebrews chapter 8 verse 6 no wase hira ewa apamfo frase no eso chan apamda da ade no enti ade nipa bebre enya huye nie say onyankopon ade collection to ene ode ama akristofo na ejemo enso no wase let each one give as he purposes in his heart, not grudgingly or of necessity. Enti sadie obiara asusu ewa nakoma mu no ena oma emra eda sikatua collection a yato ewa so dem ho ne se sadie wan kasa wasusu wo akoma mu no ene twasa wo ma enya memeremfe anasa ohyaso enti asore no de so wo kyerɛkyerɛ wa obekyerɛkyerɛ wa I encourage you say we ye ne say ya edi sha bebre na ebe den ebe brɛ wo at the end of the day wo sɔre kwase na wo kwa asɔre a sika ho de kwato mu no obi antu mechinchi mu nsa mebisa question ente santu so dudu no a ya na asofo tro na ohwe sika kra de tum no Church of Christ obi hwe sika de tum ho ya wasam bi kan ya kyerɛ Bible no ene e be kyerɛ sɛ uye ne sɛ ya bɛboa uye ne sɛ ya bɛboa ya tufo no ene e be ka kyerɛ ho edu de atwa ate no so a sɛ de obi asu na koma mu no onye den woma enya memene mfe anasa ohyem obi a behunahuna anka nkyerɛ sɛ sɛ wantua nto so dudu a onyankopɔn bɛdome ɛyɛ hunahuna Bible sɛ apamfo from ɔma no ɛnyɛ saa ne teɛ enti me nua sɛ obisa ya Church of Christ yɛto collection kwasi ada yɛ kwa sɔre a yɛsom ni mu no sɛ eduru bre twa sɛ yi sika no a onua ba begina hɔ ba bɛtwe adwene gyina so sɛ ɛbra so onyame adwuma a yɛ na de sika na ɛyɛ ti deɛ wo ɛnɛ de obi ade ba yɛ no yɛ de ade na oba o wo bia fatum yɛdu wɔ na sɛ wo bia na ade atum wo ni bia o metwa mu akɔ wo ni asɔre ka asɔre ntɔ hwee ɛna wabɛda wakɔde asɔre ka ɛma obi atena fie sɛ me nkɔ asɔre ɛsiane sɛ mede ka ɛde aka na onipa deɛ ahiafoɔ ɛne asikafoɔ ɛna ɛwɔ asɔre mu enti so obi yɛ ohiani no ɔni sika na wɔbaa ɛwɔ ama bɛto collection ne yɛ sɛ wɔde ka deɛ a na kyɛ sɛ sikafoɔ nkɔ na ɛnkɔ asɔre ana enti ma mentwe adwe nyina so ɛma obi biara a wɔtie ma nnwuma nti asɛ sɛ Church of Christ nka sɛ mfa sika yɛ nyame adwuma yɛde sika yɛ nyame adwuma me nam na metu kwa me kwa me ba nyina Church of Christ for ɛde twa me air ticket ma me sɛ medidi a ɔm na ɛbɛyɛ saa enti yɛde sika yɛ nyame adwuma na mmom nyame adwuma yɛde sika yɛ no yɛnyɛ no sɛdeɛ yɛyɛ ankasa yɛ adeɛ sɛdeɛ nyame ahyehyɛ no no saa ne twa sɛ yɛyɛ no ɛma yɛhunu sɛ yɛsom onyankopɔn ampara Luke 6:46 awurade yesu sɛ na ade na wofra me awurade na deɛ meseɛ no ɛnyɛ no ɛna moyɛ enti bi sɛ sikasɛm no a baabi do bɛgyina kakra ne ansa na mate obi wɔ no
amen confusion wɔ ha ɛwɔ ha ne sɛ Professor Dan Owusu Asiama wɔn kyerɛkyerɛ mu yi no wɔma mahunu sɛ apam dada no mu no na collection me na bɛka sɛ collection wɔ hɔ ɛna entotosuo dudu nso ɛwɔ hɔ ɛna yɛhunu sɛ collection no ɛyɛ sika entotosuo dudu no ɛnyɛ sika na asɛmbisa ne sɛ ɛne na ntotosuo dudu no ɛbɛyɛ dan ɛwɔ ɛna Kristo mu
asɛmbisa a ɛsɛ sɛ
ɛbɛyɛ dan
asɔfo a ɛgye ntotosuo dudu no ɛna twa sɛ yɛbisa wɔn mo ɛsiane sɛ Kristosom ɛhyɛ aseɛ Pentecost da ɛwɔ asomafoɔ nnwuma no ɛti mmienu ɛyɛ interesting sɛ ɛberɛ a Kristosom hyɛ aseɛ ɛda no Kristosom hyɛ aseɛ Pentecost da no saa afahyɛ no ɛduru a Israel ni biara a wɔte ewiase amama baabiara na n'ani ho no ɛba Jerusalem ɛba bidi saa afahyɛ no bi na ɔmo ba afahyɛ no yɛwie yɛ no twa sɛ obiara yɛ dɛn ɛsan akɔ ne nkyi but Pentecost da no ɛna wɔn kronkron baayɛ a ɛma asɔre no hyɛ aseɛ enti bere a wɔn preachi yɛ ɛma nipa bɛsɛ 3000 ɛbɛbɔ asu wie yɛ no nipa no a abɔ asu from about 17 different nations no na nka sɛ wɔn sa wɔn akyi kɔ wɔn kurom nanso wɔn abɛgye gyidie foforɔ bi adidi a na twa sɛ yɛkyerɛkyerɛ wɔn edi twa sɛ wɔn kyɛ kakra ɛwɔ Jerusalem hɔ ɛde asɛm ɛna esi yɛ ɔdɔfo a wɔte me wɔn tua ntosuo dudu anaasɛ wɔn ɛyɛ dɛn
ɛberɛ na wɔn ɛte Jerusalem
wɔn wɔ Jerusalem ɛtwɛn agye nkyerɛkyerɛ kakra wɔ asomafoɔ no hɔ ansa na wɔn akɔ wɔn akyi no Acts chapter 2 verse 44 no wɔse now all who believed were together and had all things in common and sold their possessions and goods and divided them among all as anyone had need. Wɔn a gyidi yɛ nyinaa no na wɔn akoma ɛyɛ baako. They had things in common ne kyerɛ sɛ ɛnam situation nti no sɛ mewɔ samina bɛyɛ sɛ 6 a wotumi yi bi na ade kodware sɛ mewɔ milo ɛna mo asi kyerɛ a wotumi ɛfa me deɛ na wode yɛ tii ɛnom anɔpa no
ɛyɛ Kristofoɔ
no na wɔn a ɛte Jerusalem hɔ no wɔse binom tontɔn wɔn adwapadeɛ ɛne wɔn nneɛma na wɔn akyɛ sika no ɛde ama anuanom no sɛdeɛ ehia obiara ɛntoso dudu wɔ hefa and to so do apam da dem no ya di ma lewi asofo won say say ade ye che ade ama church members no wa bi kogu asomafo ne na ase na sanka to so do dia say na ka asomafo no ade ye to so di bem wo mo sa on fa maintain wo mo ho na bible say wasesa asofodie ne dia ade emra no so no aye den no wasesa no enti and to so do say the obisa say be ya de okisosumo no eye mo asofo yi a mo age wo mo adie yi ya wo mo claim heaven and earth we dey awunim and me tie obofo na ave the other argument bi a wo ye me sre wase asofo de bi so ya wase we dey nyame mfre no we dey nyame mfre no we dey nyame afre no obofo no ya nyina nyame mfre ye
ya mo pepe
ya nyina nyame mfre ye ya na e ka se nyame afre ye ya na e ka se nyame afre ye obi e di ho na onim analogy oye wase president was so Ghana sisi ano
Nana Akufo-Addo
a chief justice and they didn't see ade so it ya dance dia obi anim say chief justice and the president what the see so electoral commission and a supervisor me ato aba and o gi tu mu say Nana Akufo-Addo na ye den e wi ni ye it Akufo-Addo the presidency no aje bi ekura ya wadanse for mi no the chief justice and the electoral commission this is per the logic of obofo and was say etu om so dem si nyame afre wo no odanse ni ne hwan
ye
wo ba akoko hu
odanse ni
ne hwan
se be wie
enti se nyame afre me no e claim asa wo obofo kan no e claim no mu nyina e claim
na te se obofo ankasa gi ne hu di se nyame no won frɛ
wo se ye nyina nyame mfrɛ ye sa na waka wo se ye nyina nyame mfrɛ ye e claim na ye
ei
na claim na ye twa kodu atemuda na temuda dura woni wa de oyi se wo se so ko atemuda no se wo ho ampara de a ase mo obofo kan ne no
wow
onofo awutia me enti asofo a enne won so mo jintu so dudu no lewi ekwan so asofodi a onyankopon di ma jiwfo no etu omo nte se twam womo nte ye se lewi kwan so asofodi no atwam ana na so omo nte ase nso a lewi kwan so asofodi no ase ne se Israel emusuako no mo yedumi no ba ko pe e ye from the tribe of Levi womo free sa tribe ne from Levites womo asofodi ne from the Levitical priesthood One pokra na nya lewi ni ba ma bia na otimi ye sofo Yankopon e de criteria to ho sabe wo so obi a wadi dem odi sofo a enye ye oh Palestine ya ma bebre enti Israel for asofo no na obi nyina fi lewi abusuakuo mu obi osua Bible bia de wo ho no na wodim ana aba pamfo from a yenti a etwa etire ame ye ka se entu so dudu atwa mu no sa asofudie na nkrofo no etimu no Bible esisu dua se sa asofudie no atwam na se etwam nso so a eho mra nso so etwa se twam
ene na atwam no
hwe Hebrews chapter 7 verse 11 and verse 12 was it therefore if perfection were through the Levitical priesthood, for under it the people received the law, what further need was there that another priest should rise according to the order of Melchizedek and not be called according to the order of Aaron? Good argument, theological argument was it a brand Israel for not no Sa Lewi ekwaso asofudie no sena e de payo perfection holiness salvation ebre nipa eyere na ka Yesu Kristo bai apam da ase asofudie no ade wo ho no sena etumi di nipa ekọ nkwagie mu a eka Jesus bai de wo wiase ade enkwa ne yepe sa Lewi kwaso asofudie nso etumi mai asof etumi mai enkwagie eti Jesus enko bai de
ko be den
Dabida eti Yesu asofudie no e say Melchizedek asofudie Melchizedek no who was he? Bible said that occupied two important offices. He was a king and at the same time a priest.
okay
So two positions, you know, Yesu Christo nkwa and Melchizedek nkwa and occupy those two positions. And to Jesus Christ, he came after the similitude of Melchizedek. Now, Otrasa, a son said, now Lewi, a consource of Udieno, and to me Nyunkwa, and to more Nipa and ye payunti, and a radi Yesu a buy. Verse number 5, oh sorry, verse 12, our Hebrews chapter 7, no? Was it? For the priesthood being changed of necessity, there is also a change of the law. What is so ambiguous with this verse? And there are some that waha a more thing and not so for the Montiaze. So was Sessa Louis a consource of Udiana, and Marabiara and for Louis as of Udiano, Assassin. Every day, every day, now you come up. At the bar for dear. Yet the one side about for dear Mania, and no more I can live as of one area. I jump because the young Bobby. Mom Santa, yes, from Cosron, Cotisada Graja. And now Santa the channel, a jump. Mom again to Swadu, everyone minor. According to verse 5, Hebrews chapter 7, verse 5, and indeed, those who are of the sons of Levi, who receive the priesthood, have a commandment to receive tithes from the people according to the law. That is, from their brethren, though they have come from the loins of Abraham. Full stop. Enti Lewi asofo no, and Yankopon ma wo embrase. Wo begin to so dudu every omunuanum Israel for ne ho. And the Bible says, so wasesa sa asofo die ne dia, and no wasesa emra no. It was asofo bia wo begin to so dudu na, wo mo dia sikane bre atiatiam. I can carry one when some home, conquer almost as I didn't contemplate some one boy. Why the mouth be quiet, said Chrysosumo, or what you to so do? Yeah, sorry, I done the business. As I didn't contemplate that mighty true. Oh, what can was he? Hey, now Sunday meteor come to this car. Said I was in your Brugumu. Never, I have and to so do, be a hand that in poor bearsay. Na maje na me de kwa na trono adika ka kire yese bone anyina na ihini ani sika pe bone a ebinim ade akire na wode yaw awo wo ho asofo e wo krom ha mu firi Ghana mo nsakra mo adwen mo ba ye Belgium asofo ben ana jintu so dudu ha odafo wutie me Belgium ha Amsterdam na wutie me a United Kingdom na wutie me a Jewfo mu no that's why some Jew for some. They don't claim to be Christians, do they?
And no crown, I meant yes, you.
One can't show me a Christopher.
One more time, the Shem crown or much shame. A different.
Onia, I have some. Ain't now the one true church once a man or money abreno. I saw no one to tell all my idea. One go to Bible Hakakra, no go to Hakakra. No, they are dad, 1 year in Bonino Akuma. I have a some bar. Well, Mammy can baby as I follow up with your question. Romans chapter 16. Roman Fongma Etidusia. America HMO Edunson and Edun Watchano. That's it. Yame Wakani in area. As something in our Bible. It is a Yakan, Kokoba Yabono. So one tear, Nasa also said, dear you, and your sample. Romans 16, 17, and 18. Dear Radiasimi. Now, I urge you, brethren, note those who cause divisions and offenses, contrary to the doctrine which you learned, and avoid them. Apart from one church, and they continue steadfastly in the apostles' doctrine, as to 42a. It is will be a sense and church, and church work is so and to so do Dunka. Also, for Biara, what you to so do feel sorry for honor, or science church. Na Bible said, and Crawford says, and you know to Omo, ya mark Omo. Verse 18. For those who are such do not serve our Lord Jesus Christ. What's what Omo Tisano? And you're ready, yes, no more. But their own belly. Omo Yafno. Omo Yafno. Waba June to so dear Yakana. Waba June to so do no idea, see a die or Ghana. No secret. No, I catch us on my means who obey for. Would you see car? Would you come on, mamma? No, mamma, they obey for no mamma, dear. What was it, Dama? Or the other for. And by smooth words and flattering speech, deceive the hearts of the simple. Woman de Casade, any Dokodokosam, 2019, a year of breakthrough. Had ever given shall be the head another tail. Sana da Samuno, or Becca Guasumsa. Motivational speeches. The man said, I be here not go for preaching. A motivational speech. The cat can sound it and was my order dead. Was over your front and almost. Now be awesome the friend to so do bed 1 then. 80 Chrysosuma Bible Munadia. Ya to collection. I said you'll be a swan Akumamuno and a woman. Now, you need to so do and try to uncle 40 and Cass will be the cat. I was sorry. And then I saw the tongue and will be a better. I went to your car. Mama Saka, I do you. Na enche na de obeba no oba Kristo soma oba abumu no yasesa no ya dane no e de adane sika ni bere menua foforo ho a
Abusia na woche abo apa ho sima Ariana enumaha Bible akwankyerɛ nkwankwan wi asemene yɛ de Kingsley kwa me tufo ene menua kwabana subonten ena ne ye wo ha sei na Professor Dano Wusu asiama na watch etwa mu no na me hwɛ tape bi e wo Facebook na efa Duncan Williams papa asɛm a wɔka yɛ ne sɛ entoto so dudu no sɛ wantua entoto so dudu sɛ wantua wawu kranke na se wutua entotoso dudu no a na wutua ne yi a 90% na aka no eno na Nyankopɔn de wo de be ya sase so bia Awurade be ma yiye na se wo fa 100% na wo anyi 10% na 100% no uhun kura unhu ano. That is why our businesses are not flourishing. That is why your financial difficulties be brave. But question, how did Papa come into this conclusion say and to so do no eye sika whereas Israel for no masa se wo Belgium ha do for America on wasem ye no mo nam and indeed kwabena subonten bedi madanse say one hwe ya omo shop okura wura so koto ade a we ye be pam wo because you are not a Jewish. How did Papa come into conclusion say sa sika no ana Jewfo no je say offering na wono mo san je no baye say tithe no sika no abedane tithe edi ama Israel for no say na Papa approve sa ade no. And then let me go to Dr. Mensa Otabil. Dr. Mensa Otabil sabre ameka say watch no book. And the book no nkyerɛkyerɛ mu nyina say ɔbɛkyerɛkyerɛ mu ama tithe no enhyira edeba Onyankopɔn emba eso. It seems say Professor Owusu asiama asɛm a wɔkɛn no okura Bible foforo. Why? Ade na Kristo sumi kura akoye bibibi say ye. Na asori ma no nso a dear conviction ena mugina so amodi tua ntutu so dudu no. Die enti a wo tua ntutu so dudu no. Ye professor ekani ma no nkwansa. Frem sesia. Die enti a sorry ba wo tua ntutu so dudu a wodi sika na ekotua na wotua no bosome no. Ade se wo proof kire ye Bible yi mu se de professor ekani ntutu so dudu na nya afiafi. Ena na eyesika na enye nnobae unless you prove this to me. Sesi America say Pentecost for Okroma me na fofo ne mo resurrection asori wo Okroma ha me na fofo ne mo Assemblies of God for mo ha Roma for mo ha me be lines now to sesi a I know your preachers are listening. Call me. Na nyenti a wusu se Professor Ibuano. Ka kire me na me entie.
Nua me da asra me fa Bible gina so bi kata ya asemi eso. Okwahia bi sa ye no. Wo na ye da na omo eye de sa. First question. Wa otua nto so dudu Duncan Williams ne aye Vanessa Otabio no. Wo bi sa ho ne say. na sa utua nto so odudu a wunya sa nhira no a ono danka Williams utua nto so odudu no utua ma wan
aha papa gia won mo kotua ma wan
podi ko si dan wo Virginia
oh boy
wo otabil and so atro book one script sa dia be na obekiriki mantra nkrofo a won otabil no otua nto so odudu utua na anya nhira etu otua no otua ma wan
aha sanke yasi yotua wonfa nkoma sofo no meboa sanke yasi lewi asofo na ede ma wo na se ye dancing cranfo asante mampomfo a yadane lewi fo a yagie ye de de koma hwan
aha lewi fo na pamda da mo no se lewi fo no agi ntusodudu na no mo so tua ntusodudu no mu ntusodudu ade ma Aaron asefo a ye asofo mpanimfo no eta me bisa se wo mo mutua no mutua ma hwan hwan de sofo pani no sa sofo die no Bible se ayede atwam ana also won pere ema no ntwam udete Bible na so na yanko yanim kakra 2 Peter chapter 2 verse 1 to 3 was say but there were also false prophets among the people even as there will be false teachers among you. Old Testament mono near what false prophets or one say or no it belongs to the Old Testament the false prophets na New Testament grade memha because one on yamia use prophet say Isaiah no David na ya de no say false teachers and go from no abom di nya you almost was just one teaching one che nyame asam false teaching and what the emma na was say who will secretly bring in destructive heresies even denying the Lord who bought them and bring unto themselves swift destruction. One be them secretly na say che ye dan ko mu no chese we osofo Bible kakaka bi ekura no chese o ye Kristo ni sofo pa na so eye na ada asam na wode enada ani heresy no eye encheche eye contrary to the onyankopon asam na ye den aka dem papa mu ye den eba no eno mu de ba Bible say Lewi asofo na etua nto so du mo no asofodie no atwam won so say amanfo metua nto so du no omu tia obenya nhia wo ye Lewi ni enkrofo bi no ayebo omudin eno asofo biara a wodi nto so du no wo ye Lewi ni verse 2 2 Peter chapter 2 was say and many will follow their destructive ways and many will follow their destructive ways. Edi pe be dis asofo we yachi no omo dosun papa na e destructive ways and omo nam so no what was so because of whom the way of truth will be blasphemed na sa microphone nti awade Yesu asemo ya no kure no microphone be ka ho asem bone ya ka asemo a abibifo ya de kataka so mu amu aso no and na banks ya egu e wo Ghana akofa untold hardship e de aba no what have been ho
ni din wom
nti ye be bo onyankopon asore ana Kristosom no ye be bo ni edimbone verse 3 was say by covetousness tieni you by covetousness they will exploit you with deceptive words blessed Bible by covetousness they will exploit you with deceptive words. Sikani bre bone ayu omoma one person be millionaires and tantam enti o matete asore enti no on be da damo with deceptive words the book a wo kan na asam a wo kan say the on a wo authority to Christianity so no say papa na etie for a long time their judgment has not been idle and their destruction does not slumber dano say the part sa mo atete asori a sika ni brinti na mo ate sika fri nipa ho da nipa ne dan Nyankopon kire no mo atemu o ontonko na onna de biarada
awusia for me telephone lines no me activate no sisi a obetumi na wafrey ententem so we ye Pentecost ni we ye Anglican ni we ye Roman ni we ye Resurrection faith and the Assemblies of God. When I say and to so do no Professor Dano Uso Siama is saying we a spiritual 419. Eka hoden obet me friend is here. Mame ente woka na mentio. Hello, good evening caller.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Kwame Isaac Asafri London. Kwame Mamintio.
Yeah, that was the year you were set of Frank to be a that I'm saying I'm supposed to tell you, I don't know what to say. You are more to do here. Now, my mechanic, what we can go for with the main source chamber, I can study any Duncan Williams, any Yoruba that or not to come. What we said, oh, my, we said, I'm kind of, I don't know, we said, Papa, this channel. I go without telling you, I go to see you, I am moving here, Chicago, no more, here. Now we have to go without telling you, I am moving here, Chicago, no more, here. But me, how is with the people. Then here, it's one good example. There was one of the friend prophet. A good chat my or so. Who put my over on a watching TV program. And I can't say, when you go back, I tell the set. Let's say a 2 year Mama winter, I could watch the window. When you go back, I tell the set, Muhammad the baby. On the radio, someone can carry. That's what I mean. The same when you have a prophet and no preacher men's or job at end. Or preacher or a person like Williams after it. Let me tell you, they don't say anything about all my Bible quotations. And you're so sugar put that way. And it will be good. And your friend is enemy. Oh my God, and somebody has just you're for this year. Oh, sometimes my woman can them. I don't look up and if I'm winning.
Better say, say emotions say, bum, 1 year crown walk out cushion. Mamina, Obinia. Mentia dinasi. Mentia say. I do bet me a friend. 032 9061 032 949081 032 949081 032 906169. The champion radio station. As I call Enfama. I'm on the services and I feel so Quabob's African market. One and also yasna edge media bro. Quabob's say was rewa. Wadaro ma pesa woto Africa Dianibia for the HRA Beldikin Strax number 147. Na ebedu joining na o wish Diana na feel so or African Union be money transfer. Quabob's obey no nyina kama area ma on the services Wadaro ma over 20 or can you take close at enter house in Accra. Obetumi wani achiro obra opese usi fie biara obi adwuma bi na hunhuru ba bi a wonfa emfa eno ya mana on services from 00233 303937217 abusia ne menti ase no enio ya menti ase no enie wutie de professor ekan yi a enka minim se na nka se no osofo foforo bi agina Adom TV no so na nkono so atete no deku. And so yi isim se obia kana no atum ena wotie professor asema wo kan ye Kofi TV damu clear edamu clear eni sofo ye wo kan na professor e menam dem ho program menam dem ho me se metua enu nyam be yam den
and the nyam be woni ana de nyam kanie na me fa twa to matie for Jeremiah etinum enchemo aduasa ene aduasa baako enya no ene nipa firi asoden or say an astonishing and horrible thing has been committed in the land. The prophets prophesy falsely and the priests rule by their own power and my people love to have it so. But what will you do in the end? We are dying when young Crawford, sir. You better now, dear. Mamma Kazan, I'm a phone. Media, my responsibility is, when Yamia say me, much such a woman, me a much such a money I shed ye, a yen yet me a dear. Now, so to study Jeremiah Bresnet, you know, was it a hobo dear, and a hundred dear, and a 1 year I was a son or so. A deep fortune control, and I'm near the car, and this is very neat, and be very neat. I fed the young couple of politics and no predator. Now, I saw for so one was off for it, and I saw for so now 1 year one so, 81 cocoa swasam. A pin acid and Carilla Jar, and go and try to say that they all can about what your book, and now Casawa man Crawford, you know the architect. On one so, and no cocoa swasam. Now, Bible said. Me mai enso epenesa eti nipa bebre wo hono mu a nyame no kure no enya de a wo pe onimdifo bi Where am fan chamio? Me sure so wa te brofo na nyatem didie. Onim difo bi. And was it, you know what stupidity is? Stupidity. And say, wouldn't sa adie bi anya nokre. Na obi adi di wo na wo gitum say one fanyo.
Just a way stupid ankasa. In this case, you know, naturally say, I'm sorry, mana, wouldn't him send to do something. Yeah, you to say, met ye, and cat, and the papa will say, would tear the yaka ye pa. Nanka cross check and ocean. What do you want, you? Yevetia, yeah. As a war stupid pa. And I may be as an old ya. Men are the mammy yakase, and I'm a phone. It doesn't do anything to me. But I rather something say. Sasa wo ya no a awie no mo be ne den abusia ba bi adi aduru ye ne asore so akọ na yen ya sore no yentua entutu so dudu ne mumia ye ene se ya tu encourage no ewia na edibo foforo aba we eye eto asumasi ye hwebuku no mo aye eto wuntua ye ne se ye be kwa akọboa sister ya wa wo ye hwebuku no mo untua and so for that day no me buy am to me collection na sa eno matabata ho di uni kotua yie to no ye contribute to any ade no se no nso enkani ba aburu mu ana me boa enya sa anka enim boni nyina ehini ere sika pe boni a ebinim wadi akire na ode ya bebre awo wo ho wo se ye ka 1 Corinthians 16 no me twe abi gina so say Bible say collection for the saints. Etu oba bi wo e wa so animu a onye sentia onye sent se Kristo ni ba ma bi ehia emwa bi a onye sentia onye sent sofo enti sikaje bebrebe no adan ye ma Kristo som adan sikasam why must we do that? Eti Church of Christ mu o na akoye and ye gin na ji o chanje enye Church of Christ ameka ho asem bi no sa na kire because asori enye sikasam nti eno Yankopon dan sori ba wiase I are sampa. All right, hello, good evening caller. I want to me and also for me over to me after me actually and that is a sofo say your Church of Christ mpo ene meko na say ahade ye ye to ena ye sister no wo ya no ye contribute to ni atro din wo ye hwe book no last wo di my na say enye Church of Christ wo was oribia oh na sa my church matter man for say yen kan Church of Christ fo nyina be ko heaven enye Israel fo nyina na Israel for Professor Meba. Hello, good evening caller.
Hello, good evening, Kinsley.
Good evening, Kwame. Kwame Mitchell.
And then a question and answers what question I want to ask you. If you throw a number of one, always tell me about time. Now, Babu Bako County 8. Of course, at the time you weren't here, some two I am wow. If your buyer will be changed like that, you know, see no who I say, just saying as I'm the year. Tell me your brother will be able to do. I'm a 1 said woman who come when you're ready to come one. Mother, now send a W. Church of Christ to come. What you don't know, Crano. Now, the Crano Bama wire this year. You can't go. You don't know, the wire this year. I'm a one, but then I put this and Williams. No, my message of Granam Gaza and Yankopon Casa Form. Now, the fire bet you about the move to go to breeding to the number of women and them go past or before my house or by no Begiska, and the people there, sometimes people, knowledgeable people, are picking them.
Mesomeda si papa busa na ya sore eso Medeli Kinsley Kwame to for Professor Adam Owusu Asiama ene Amsterdam Church of Christ so for St. Paul Anani na member also sima ba ko ozo wusi aso wa din na ubo trinko sa ade asam wa no
asam no eno na we wie ka no which is the European dan e ka no a just ye nyina no ye free bibi na ye baaye so say ya we ya to asafo no mu nti ye be wure mu a before na enchechire no even before ye be wure mu no enchechire no e bi wo ho a na we also find it so difficult say bia obeti ase truly say nyankopon ento ensa emfrɛ wo a sɛ wo ba na safo no mu a ebe den pa so be concerned a lot with it. With all the explanations how do you make say Church of Christ mu a just say me not the na me no the nyina no as a channel no asafo no mu a what is kronkron no ase because the Bible is actually made, it was written for the church. Until what church in the more, and no matter okay, you know, it sounds logic to you. Which are the questions for too much, sir?
I was now the last caller for this evening. Good evening. Oh, Tony. Yeah. Bobby and Gobo, body tell mommy, straight to your point.
Thank you. Let's see. I just say, one of the teaching the son I am maternity pass, I for them more Church of Christ. More sometimes we think more come for one in the Bible come for.
I'll call him.
Now I remember there. Say, the Bible says, I mean, okay, Jacob Maton, Old Testament today, there's a blessing in on Kadam Bambosi, it's here of which low. And
it's your day.
Just like now, which low,
Why? Because we educate here, pa. Was he a Chiama one over Obishray?
What I say, and I love it.
You love it when you have
I sit down radio. And you know the New Testament, I'm probably with it. I thought to be there, or person be there. I want to time. That's why it's a fire. The New Testament, now, this is not something for the type. New Testament, the Testament, the copper of God will not there. More true humility, we do not see the apostle thing about time. But if you can go for that, it's here. They will bless you because they are said they will bless you.
Maybe Tony made that was a pa. That's why I like you. You know why I like you? Wait. Tobase. Buame waha. Now explain the point to be mine. Now straight in way, you know. What you say? Because Professor can be waha say. Tight na ye kan ho asem no. Eye no bae e na Israel fo no eje offering a eye sika. Wakotu. Enti wo de a wo kan ho asem no bae na wo be pese wo kan ho asem. Ana say tight ayi no sika no na wo pese wo kan ho asem e wo kristo mu sisia.
Okay, let me be fast. Papi was na me ache, oni na me so sa. School asama o school. Ye kan kristo so o akomache. Me be e temi che bia anti na. This small kind of damage, you know, or you're right, or you're according to the Bible, no, your collection is Shika. I sit down radio. It is your finger and don't be maybe John, I want to be fat. I want to be fat. Now, Doctor said, the Usas man said, but the Usas of the last time they are listening to John on touch. Maybe right, I said that. Now, I don't remember I saw what near time, but go to it, Manti. Now, look at the I'm still there and I want to know more. The other is a good at India. But still, I don't send you all the fact that I don't have this concern the churches now. But now, if you make an occasion, or you too far there, there's a number today. Or this is the time. It's just like now. Now, who put this show by and by? You know, I don't think that God will curse you or anger with you because you are feeling touch the church. But don't see why you the money in vain. That's the good thing that God will judge them. But if you're supposed to say that, we don't feel that. God will judge them.
As I all from no tight no all canon, I was sika side. Say, Utia, me boy. Originally, so for so can they watch them was this kind of the or your friend tight, your friend offering. And I tight no yen no buy. I say more a tight you could ya, near some baby offering you so. I say, Sika come you. Is in Yamaka 1 year debut.
For example,
okay. Tony be ask Papa Professor on board because I don't get it. Dear Tony come. Because Professor na me kin so be ko tu be say ade no kura say enye afiafi na bosome ade tight kura wo so be ye kura kwa ye sin ka afiafi emra nkeda ho no
me the okay abisa okujina Malaka chapter 3 na ebreja ya metwe o ma adwegina so say Malaka chapter 1 by answer na chapter 3 ebeba chapter 1 no onyankopon ka kira Israel for say omo de moa ebo afode a omo fa emoa papa ema afode ema no eni so obi de aboa papa ebo afode ema nyankopon a odo so nyame be hira no na na no so omo gyaye eni e Malaka chapter 1 e na odwane free chapter 1 na uhuri go gina chapter 3 enti semian so opeso osua de a usua ade onyame asemu a etwasa wo ye honest wo sama aka ye nyina de adanse se okra no a eti wo mu no ene asem american e ya adwen nemom nipadua no e na opesa wo ka asem no bia keke but the point ne say omo na tua nto so odudu no na omukum emoa e de bo afode se wo tua nto so odudu na wakum aboa de abo afode ene de a enka me no se da nya problem bia ne se wo jai aboa yekum na so so betua nto so odudu de a wo say asem no inconsistency about the whole kanimo.
All right. Now also for say Facebook ho e de Mr. Moma Tony Honton kakra. Na ewiase bibia wo ne bre. Nya da bia na Tony be ha. We every menua George Kunsimo. O say ha. Today Tony today you the mellow. Let him say Tony about form. All right, I will take all the messages from Facebook. Go ahead and say.
Asam kakra bia make idea to us and say on say asofo no akotu Malachi chapter 3 verse 10 no e so omo akotu no several times ema abeto members no nyina adwene mo say jama wonyi entusu dudu a onyankopon hira o
yes Malachi chapter 2 verse 10
chapter 3 no
chapter 3
yeah
okay
omo taught ni nyina ne say nyankopon nam entusu edudu so ena ohira onipa true say Israel for abraso no na nyankopon through the giving of the title no nyankopon hira o but interestingly no Christosumu once I can kind 2 Corinthians chapter 9 verse 6 and verse 7 no this giving you know verse 8 of 2 Corinthians chapter 9 no the blessings are a war no nyankopon Hana was one for so as also can edit to us verse 8 no or say, and God is able to make all grace abound to you. The first thing is say, all grace to abound to you. And I'll say, always having all sufficiency in all things, may have an abundance for every good work. Through the giving, ye give you, God blesses the giver na or give no accordingly no it's say Christianity actually did say na still asofo no assign at the core back to the olden system of worship now it's just a complete contradiction because so we see since I started here analysis and I said the teachings are the so far no enka obia ukon edo Christosom ho when you bring nyamesom papa no ho no you would actually have no question to ask with regards to this but unfortunately no last week ya na your church will say ya ewo Amsterdam church mo your visitors mo kakra ebi adwen no enyina no ye de apam dada ene apam foforo esom no ye de abom inte no yente apam ahodo a ewo chokonkro no emu no ase ɛno na ama yɛkɔfa title no a
Amanti ase na ye din.
na yɛde ababewura kristosom mu. But we don't understand say title does not belong to Christianity. And even so title belong to Christianity kra no so a like it isn't money. And another thing say ebi akyerɛkyerɛ mu ara say kane no na sika ni hɔ nti ɛna nyankopɔn ɛma na ɔmo de ayɛmmoa ne ɛnɔbaeɛ no ɔmo yi so ntusu dudu. But again Deuteronomy chapter 14 no
Ajapani kura kyerɛ mu sɛ wɔn gye sika yi ɛna ɔmo ama ɔba kunafo bi kura yɛ se ne sempo ne kaprɛ da san kura woni kaprɛ wɔde bɛtɛ mu no
ne sika wɔ hɔ. But ɛno kura no nyankopɔn san so kyerɛ wɔ mo sɛ tight enya bedani sika yɛmfa masɔfo. If tight were to be money,
not just say nka tight no sika nka maame no kura no maame kura nim ko wanfa nkoto collection ana professor meboa say ke sika nka maame no fa nkoto collection no
ɔno ade kɔhwɛ no
ɔde na how far say baby abusia no nkron abo me din Eddie Kingsley kwa me to for make on Facebook say see kwesi kan please. I'm not clear with the explanation of donating to a church member. Okay, to a church member whenever someone gives birth or died. Okay, I understand where you're coming from. Please, can you come again? Thank you. Contribution I will be what near church will be I don't know also can come so on just a crap. To somebody a year to I don't know when to Professor Wadaroma as is who you now and talk. Sorry for be assume.
Aja ya kyerɛ mu awie ankyerɛ mu a kyerɛ ne sɛ 1 Corinthians 16:1-2 no was a collection for the saints. Saa sika no a yɛgye no ɛno abi ɔfe hu nsuo ɛno a ne yɛde no ane nam. Enti sika aboa baako yenyi ne yan mienu. Enti sika no a yɛgye 1 Corinthians 16:1-2 no sɛ ɛyɛ collection for the saints. Enti obi awo a ɛnyɛ bia na ebeyi ama no. It is multiple taxation, so to speak, no, and now wait for security, wait for, and no, they put to nipa off. So we are Church of Christ as I obey and no. We are not workers at the other denominations, so as all just Casamity of Ray. Tia collection, young to the year, near Nibi, and Famwa. 1 year of watching one was happening.
Simplicity, Isaac Mesa, the winner by also benevolence is taken from the given. Okay. To us, I no benevolence, no none. Collection here 2 years. We be here more, one for the one. That's all. Richmond Saki was a greeting from Takoradi. Tony, they confuse himself. What do you have to answer, sir? Okay. All right, this one also coming from this Konja. Sorry, man, to pronounce it now. The Achame was it. What about offering of benevolence? All right, Tony, please come and let's go. We love you. No shy. Many about who fair gifty as here money free Germany and whatever. Was it Tony Matthew would do whatever my mesro? We in Federal BN's Rubia. Interior Sophobia Becca, Oma Babro, so a Church of Christ was on them straight. Of course, no better maybe will be after one vino. No, because of where every Asante, Maki Honor, they buy. Or say, Tony, don't confuse yourself. And I judge the buy. Or say, ha. Tony Melo today. You don't Melo. That's all the Bible view. Nana Echa was say, ha. Or say, and Alice Hamilton, so was in some more prima. Why you go Kumutiri say? Isaac Mesa. Or say, the worldly church leaders are. I don't get a word out of the show. Yeah, boy, Philip. Was it teach them? You shall know the truth, and the truth shall set you free. Give them some was no size. Professor no size. What my professor and see no size. All right, Ralph. So the way I was greeting from Ghent Church of Christ. God bless you always. Hey, I the sister gift you the Bible. But yeah, and Rafal say, how gonna have bomb some bombing some fair and fair Cynthia Danso. Cynthia say, we will become Zambonoa. A fear dente. Prof, what aroma was all flower be or how a table? Na name read what is a flower? And I feel so what a come be abeto na krama na pija no sasa wa ma prima abe kwabra set so e born in sem na papa mavis me kind of my kind that obi am kind of them to me kind you know all right papa makoma was it wow what a true church Kwame Bright was it oh okay please I'm not crying no it's a mistake my maybe was serious no I did to be able to was that you know who identity na me all right abusia say man to me can kind message ni na fa chame nyame bo apaye bre no enti yeah sorry so na yako Professor Dan Owusu Asiama just 2 minutes identity na o my Ghana mo mampani ayana adwene say obesi cathedral e dia mo man no na wagina Adom TV so akasa dendenden whereas asofo okukudamfo ya kan bomu ni ye boy nsem ma o mampani pra na okasetia saa de no say emwa o man no why do you do that
I mean I that say you bibi o do mo abrofo fa no misplaced emphasis misplaced emphasis iwiase ye di hia ansa ne aye de fata so they are there chair era me kasa na Church of Christ where ya kwama aban free SHS ya ye kwala ya o mu ko school yi sa kwala iko na so wantua school fees ya sabe ehiafo ma bebre wo ma ni mu eye dwumadi a obi a na dwen sabe edafom bia no agitum se eyade papa na numpo kra no sika ye pede aye sa ade ne kra aban hyede nya ema se enkwala ebi ko abosumi mienu ana ebi akọ na o ma akoyese sa unya sika mfanye sa ade no na sa usu kwa akosi de ban cathedral ewo enkran ekronimu cathedral sen asori pen sa nkrofo a yebo ba asofo yo mo ajata o maniasi wo mu hwan ana oni asori dan ko da ka uri ansa asori dan etise kuro ana da ho enti sa ade na o mo ani abre pa so o mo pe cathedral si o man mu no eye na ada asem se cathedral no e ho na Nyankopon betena Acts chapter 17 verse 24 was Nyankopon ente asori dan ya de nsa ya dan asimu it is asofo no da o mampani no aka che ne se da bro ye sa ne nyamba betena ho a hwe West Africa for nyina mo fa sa asem ntumatimu bia wanyini kakra bia fa to tirim ho fe boyi ewo the Ivory Coast etna ho no mo edi Ivory Coast e ma no so no Ivory Coast nya asumdwe sa ebi bebre mu na Ghana fo ye ho compare wo mo a na enye yie na Ivory Coast atesa France trouble bia ma ho obi an costeji ku e de kopem se wo mo gitu mu e ma yesi cathedral e wo ya musukuro me ko ho e ko ho sa cathedral no free and so obi a wo share history biara e West Africa chekere se o mu see sa cathedral we ye pe e na ku sam I started wa Ivory Coast na Ivory Coast sabi ansi da da mu bio e de besi na ho bonne ni occultism ani ade a enkrofo ye no so man panne tawo me da no si sa ade na da bi Nyankopon ne be so ni ade no a wo mo e kasa no wo mo adwe mo de ye nti se wo no man panne no bi ti o man panne wo Toronto Canada and was in your government and na you no one so person obesi na you no one so dey abidim say dey onya corrupt ni sika na onya and wo dey si bra yanku yadim
abusia also for Professor Dan Owusu Asiama the point in tia woka say cathedral no M1 no na wa chire mo area chire no Takoradi Central Church of Christ echiao Onyaba akon akọ Kobina na ode by Ivan Soforiata. I say thanks a lot for the good work, Professor. God bless you. There is a mame donko woman say yenam kwanso aye ko Amsterdam. I enjoy the program no as of your guest in was hey Elder Bentum a Church of Pentecost Elder France. Nan say die yeti wonka chu no drama honso na ka ya no watedin ena wotie nkoka meka no afi yebo afle wose me hwemo from Italy Richard Amankwa so ehwe no wose more fire Beatrice Boateng good evening brethren good evening to you Beatrice Obenfo Hunter Isaac so chairman Jerry J Broke also over Daniel Moaben anyone I show my Ghana mo Edoson pa till I come your way same time next week nyame eya adoma yebesan ya ba mo che me dey Kingsley kwa me 24 na nyumrei kwa na subonte na that I'm figuring out the mame. Make I will say, Professor Ewo, one more time. Obeba asida radio. Ukwada day anymore. sɛ mohu professor na kyerɛ sɛ ɛno bɛyɛ the radio program ɔbɛyɛ twa toɔ ɛwɔ Belgium aha ɛsɛ ɛna nwummerɛ ɛdɛ onyankopɔn wase ne ada wo nso wase asɛ bi wɛnkɔ ɛmfa ma ama na ɔne services sɛ na afei kɔ Bob's African Market wɔn ɛboa yɛn ɛmɛ de dwumadie no ɛde ɛbrɛ mu asɛ bi wɛnkɔ ɛmfa ma professor ɛyɛ dan owusu asiama ɛna afei nso onyame nipa St. Paul anane ɔyɛ wo sɛmpakani ɛde ma Amsterdam Church of Christ. Like, come your way same time next week. Do have a wonderful evening. My name is Kingsley Kwame 24. Stay blessed.